In this video, we'll show you how to install and set up Keyboard Extension, your new personal assistant for all the little things you do over and over again. Because life's too short to repeat yourself. Keyboard Extension comes in two parts: a server app for your Windows computer and a client app for your Android phone. Which one should you install first? Honestly, it doesn't matter. You can't mess this up. Let's just start with the server. Step 1. Installing the server app. You'll find the download link right below this video, unless you skipped the description. Or open Google Chrome and visit keyboardextension.com downloads. You'll see two versions: traditional Windows installation package and portable, for those who don't have permissions to write to Program Files folder and prefers manual updates. Or have a mild case of tech paranoia. We recommend the installer version. It updates itself, unlike your ex. Click the button with your favorite Windows flag. If you're using Microsoft Edge, you might see this file isn't commonly downloaded. That just means you're one of the first cool people to try the new version. Click Keep, or just use Chrome like the rest of us. Run the downloaded file. If Windows Defender complains, check that it's signed by Glysense, that's us, and click Run anyway. Accept the license. Hit Install, and let it do its thing. When setup finishes, launch Keyboard Extension. You'll see a QR code. Scan it with your phone to go straight to our page in Google Play. Close the window by accident? It's okay. Happens to everyone. Just go back to the website and grab the link again. Step 2. Installing the Android app. At the time of this recording, Keyboard Extension is available only for Android. It comes in two flavors: the standalone version for users without Google Play access, and the Play Store version for everyone else, and for boosting our app's fame. Click Get It on Google Play, or open the Play Store and search Keyboard Extension. You'll recognize us by the stylish logo. Tap Install, then Open. The first launch shows a short demo. Take a look, then press Next and Start. You'll now see the screen for connecting to your computer. If you installed the phone app first, tap Email me the link to send yourself the Windows installer. Now both apps are ready. Time to connect them. Let's make the magic happen. Step 3. Connecting your devices. You have 3 ways to connect: Wi-Fi, fast and easy; web server, secure and remote; Bluetooth, old school but still works. Let's check them out one by one. Wi-Fi connection. If your phone and PC are on the same Wi-Fi, this is your best choice. It's quick, reliable, and drama-free. Select your PC from the list and tap Connect. If you see a green notification on your phone and a green icon in your Windows tray, boom, you're connected. Wait a few seconds for data sync. You'll see a widget tailored to your active app. In our demo, it's Google Chrome. If it doesn't work, blame Windows Firewall or check if both devices are on the same network. Now, let's disconnect Wi-Fi and try the web server mode. Web server connection. It's perfect if your phone and PC are in different networks, or you'd rather not argue with Windows Firewall ever again. In this mode, your data travels safely through an encrypted cloud channel. On your PC, right-click the Keyboard Extension icon. Choose Connect via Web Server. You'll get a special code and a QR code. On your phone, select Web Server as connection type. You can type the code manually, but scanning the code is way easier. Once scanned, connection established. Check for green lights on both ends. And finally, Bluetooth. It's a bit slower, but great for quick wireless setups. Make sure Bluetooth is on. On your phone, select Bluetooth, then pick your PC, then pair. When the indicators turn green, you're good to go. Congrats! You've mastered all 3 connection types. You've earned a coffee break. Step 4. Register your account. One last thing, registration. Without an account, you can still use widgets, but you can't create or share your own. Some plugins will also stay locked. Open Sign in/register. Switch to the Register tab. Create a username, 5 or more characters. Set a password, and enter your email for password recovery. Yes, people forget passwords, and no, we can't reset it for you without an email. So write it down, or stick it on your monitor like everyone else. After registering, check your inbox for a confirmation email. Click the link or enter the code manually. Done! You're officially registered. Congratulations! Your keyboard extension assistant is ready to handle the boring stuff. Sit back, relax, and let your devices work together for once. Keyboard extension, because routine belongs to machines, not people.